Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to migrate content to a folder on Dropbox using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, and some content that we have uploaded to Dropbox cloud storage. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, go to dropbox.com, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to my Dropbox. Please ensure that you have content uploaded to Dropbox. If you're unsure of how to do that, go to the previous tutorials as part of the playlist. You will be able to view those videos that show you how to upload a video and an image to your account. Once we've done that, we can now create a folder. Let's just call this folder CSV, short for Computer Science Videos. Click on Create. That folder has now created. Go back to All Files. And now what we can do is highlight the video and the image, drag and drop into that CSV folder. Let's now refresh the page. And here we have it. The folder now has two items in there. If I were to, let's just say, open in a new tab, the folder will open up with the video and the image in that folder. Let's go back to All Files. We should then see all the information within files. Let's go to folders, go to CSV, click on this, and then we have the video and the image within that folder again from a different perspective. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.